In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Catalog Avatar Creator Group. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to join the community or group for Avatar Creator in Roblox. So you can do this through the official website or through the Roblox player, whatever you prefer. First, I'm going to showcase how you can do it through the player. Find Catalog Avatar Creator, make sure that it is the official verified experience, and then scroll down. At the bottom, you will find Community. So this is going to be the main official group for the game. All that you have to do is choose Join Community, and immediately you are in the group. So they refer to groups as communities, and once you have joined, you will be able to get notifications related to new things, codes that you can redeem, you can see the forums, you can see people talking about the experience and other things, store, affiliates, and so on. It is extremely simple. If you want to leave the community, you can just choose the option to view the community as I displayed earlier, and then click these three dots and leave community. You will also find their Discord server and Twitter available. So if you go all the way back, under community you will have Twitter and Discord. So if you want to join Discord server as well, click on this icon here. If you want to do it through the website, you can do the exact same steps. So you look for Avatar Creator in Experiences, you choose the experience here, you scroll down, and you will be able to find all of the communities, Roblox group, Discord, and Twitter. And once you join, you will be able to see everything, so you can browse through it on the website or inside of the Roblox player. So just make sure that you join it through this main method by clicking on the experience and then scrolling down. This will also work with any other game available on Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to join Catalog Avatar Creator Group. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.